I'm coming up to a lake in Orange County, California. It's part of Laguna Beach, and it's called Barbara's Lake. And this particular lake is special because it's the only natural lake, the only natural, not man-made reservoir holding water, but it's the only natural lake in Orange County. And it's called Barbara's Lake because, well, it looks like there was an artist here named Barbara who used to paint her pictures here. It's a freshwater lake. It's not brackish. It's not mixed with the ocean, and it's not a tidal pool or bay, but it's just a naturally occurring lake. Look at all the birds today. And there's some ducks. And I'm standing still long enough that all the insects are starting to find me and are drinking my sweat. So I think I'll keep moving along this trail and just give you a few minutes to enjoy it with me. You know, so often I think that, including myself, I think that we regard the natural world as the backdrop to human life, and it's not. We're all connected. You know, it supports us, we support it. It's greater than us in reality, and it has its own wisdom and intelligence. And if you listen closely, you can receive guidance from all of this. And so today I'm spending, I think I'm 2 hours into my 3-hour solitary excursion today, trying to get some balance and some guidance from nature. And I hope you're having a great day too. Greetings from California.